Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new, fresh estate planning layout pack we think you're going to enjoy. Any estate planning company would benefit from this stellar layout pack. Not only does it include all the necessities to showcase a wide range of estate planning services like living wills, trusts, and more, the cutting-edge design is sure to stand out above the competition. It even includes dedicated pages to showcase those services that you need and more. So don't miss out on getting a brand new estate planning site up and running today with this new estate planning layout pack. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new estate planning layout pack to your own website. All right, now before you can start adding your pre-made layout using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription if you haven't already. To do that, go over to Divi, Theme Options, and then go ahead and click the Updates tab, and there you can enter your username and API key. And then click Save Changes. After that, you will have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems from within the Divi Builder. And for the next step, you'll want to start creating new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To get started, go over to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the new Estate Planning Layout Pack and select it. There you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and find the one that you want and then make sure to click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish it. And then you'll want to continue this same process to create the rest of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. And then once all of your pages have been created with those pre-made layouts added to each of those, you're ready for the next step, which is to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus, then go ahead and give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to your menu. There you can organize the menu items however you like under the menu structure area. And go ahead and make sure and select primary menu as your display location and then save menu. After that, you're ready for the final step, and that is to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page. And then for the homepage, go ahead and select that homepage you added with that pre-made homepage layout. And then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new Estate Planning Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.